reading, so Spot loves his dad. Good morning guys, how are you? We are finally starting to feel better. Unfortunately last week at childcare Sophie caught gastro. So the Friday she was sick and then the Saturday night Dave and I were both sick. It was so difficult. I haven't had to care for a baby before, or an active 11-month-old I should say, when I've really been sick. So it was so difficult, but we managed to get through it even with an early 5:20 start by Sophie on that Sunday morning. It's actually taken Dave and I a little while to recover, a lot longer than Sophie. Sophie was feeling pretty good the next day on Saturday. But not us. It's taken us to Tuesday to start to feel well, but Sophie was really getting cabin fever, so we decided that today we were going to go out and about. She also started this morning at 5:20 a.m. but because we had something planned, she slept for an hour, which is brilliant, but she's been just doing half an hour. So Dave and I were saying, well, the moral of the story is there that we should plan stuff for straight after her nap because she tends to sleep longer. She's just downstairs having some cheese and then we're going to head on out to the park. Yeah.
I'm holding on all by myself. 2, 3. Ready?
You ready? Set, go!
Clouds and thunders standing in my way. I must try to figure it out. Songs of worries travel.
Daddy! Dad, we walk towards Dad. Kiss. Thanks, Bobby. Thank you. Kiss. Thanks, Sophie. Thanks, Sophie. Mwah. Kiss for Sophie.
Sophie just took 3 steps. We managed to catch 2 on camera. So hard to catch it on camera. So. Oh, you're waving. Hello. Hello. They waving back?
Travel with the storm. But I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try.
Bird. Bird. Nearly bird. Sophie used to love these egg muffins. Now can't get her to eat any. And we're eating it. Standing up on the floor, but we're eating our egg muffins. Well done, Sophie. Hi. You coming through? You coming in? What did Dad get in the mail, Soph? Oh. What have you got, darling? What have you got? What have you got, Soph? Crikey.
Crikey.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye.
You just can't get over the final one, bub.
The top lip, Mum. There we go. Oh.
Well done. Well done, Sophie. Shut the gate. No, no.
I'm eating me biggie and I'm looking at me books. And Mum's driving.
Hello.
Hello, my name's Sophie and I keep pulling my shoes off. As you can see, I've got one off and the other one's well on the way.
So we're just at Kmart now picking up some stuff for Sophie's birthday. So we're going gold, pink and navy theme. Nice, Dale, nice. And we've actually got a helium balloon kit for how much?
$39 off.
$39. One of our friends got some helium balloons, but it ended up costing $80. So we thought we'd just get the kit ourselves and do it ourselves. And you're eating, aren't you, so? I think we've got a little carried away, Dale. Yum, Soph, how's that for dessert? Good. Watermelon was 91 cents a kilogram at Coles today. We had to get some, didn't we? Whee! We got this slide from the toy library. We've got it on hire for 3 weeks. And you love it, don't you, Soph? Alrighty, I thought I'd show you what I got from Kmart. So I got this dump truck for $10, and in my mother's group at Christmas time we did a Kris Kringle where we each spent $10 and put the presents under the tree, and then the kids got to choose which one they wanted. Well, this year we're doing the same for their first birthdays, so I got that for that. Then we got this inflatable animal rocker. Sophie, I think, will love this, so we got this for her birthday. It was $5. Then we got a touch and feel book. She loves these books. And this is a great Australian animals one with a kangaroo, a wombat, a bilby, a baby crocodile, a dingo, and a kookaburra. And I gave it to Sophie in the shop and she really liked it. And then I got this ball for like $2, which lights up, which she's already been playing with. And then we got some party supplies. We got some cups, they say yay, and that was $2. And we got spoons, gold plates, and each one of these items was $2 or $3. So this was 2 oval plates for $2. These guys were $3, which looks really cool. And then we got some more shoes for Sophie. Now I thought these would be good because the Velcro goes like this, and even if she pulls the Velcro off, it doesn't mean she's going to get the whole shoe off, whereas at the moment the Velcro just goes across and attaches over here, and so she just pulls it off and then takes her shoes off. So these shoes should stay on longer. Then we got a love balloon, and that's what we got. I was really stoked with it. There's a few more things that I need to get, but Dave and I were really happy with what we got. Had a lot of fun shopping. Well, me and Sophie did. Dave, well, he seemed to enjoy it a little bit. Tomorrow Sophie's off to childcare, so I like to pack her bag the night before. So we've got a jacket, a change of clothes, shorts and t-shirt, and then a bodysuit change of clothes. Sophie loves water play, so I always have a couple of changes of clothes because she loves to get wet and play with the hose. And then we use cloth nappies at childcare. They change every 2 hours, and we try and use them at home as well. So I just make sure she has 5 nappies in the bag for tomorrow as well. And then as part of her sleeping, she needs her Taggy. This is her Taggy. So she needs Taggy to sleep. And I've got little shoes for her. These are the ones I was talking about with the Velcro, how she can very easily get out of them. That was her first pair of shoes. And her hat. Oh, look. Oh, Oh, I look really sweaty, but it's 35 degrees outside, so it's quite hot here at the moment. But that is why I like to really pack Sophie's bag the night before. So in the morning, we don't have time with going to work and all the rest of it to make sure we've got everything. So I double check it the night before, and I also pack my bag and get my clothes out as well as Sophie's. So guys, Sophie's in bed asleep. I've actually recently changed her white noise from Mountain Riffer to Music for Dreaming, which has got tunes like Brahman's Lullaby and other ones like that. So Dave and I are about to do Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu yoga. He likes to do Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and this is yoga for it, and I enjoy yoga, so it's a great thing we can do together. We just follow a couple of guys on YouTube. So that's us. That was our day. As you can see, we were getting really excited for Sophie's first birthday. Won't be long. Alrighty guys, thanks heaps for watching. Take care and I'll see you next time. Bye.